Hello friends, welcome back again to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. For those of you who partook or participated in the EOX mining, airdrop mining on Satoshi app, please, it is time for withdrawal right now. Don't miss it. This withdrawal period session started since 13th of April. That should be last week, and the deadline is 27th of this month. So today is 22nd. You just have 5 days. So I'm going to show exactly the first set of process on how to claim this coin. Now, the first thing you're going to do, please, very important. Make sure you have you install the EOX app. Yes, it's a crypto app, just like you have all these exchanges, like the wallets. That's what it is. Let me show you what it looks like before I come over here again. Just look at it. You are going to have this. If you install it, sign up with it, register account with it, and you're going to find yourself here. So in this case, you are going to see the coin itself. Look at it. This EOX can see currently is sold at $11 plus. So that's it. Now I want to show you how to link it up and begin to, claim it. After the deadline on 27th, it will be distributed. Now, if you're on Satoshi app, if you're not here, please, if you're someone who is interested in crypto and you don't have Satoshi app, then you don't know what is actually happening in the crypto world. You need to get the link. Follow that link. Don't go to place and say you're looking for Satoshi app. Follow the link I'm going to drop. If you want it, ask for it on the comment section. I'll drop it for you. Follow it and sign up. Once you're done, you are going to find yourself here. This particular Satoshi app, every single at one time or the other, they are releasing different airdrops of tokens. These tokens are proven tokens that are in the market. So it's not the one you are going to waste your time, gather coin that will never be useful. No. So any coin you see they do here, you are going to get something from it. Now, let me go leave that one by the way. I'm going to talk about that later. Now, I want to, link up my account so that I can withdraw what I've gained in my EOX mining. So under this place, you see all of these buttons here: airdrop, project, team, quote, me. I'm going to click on me. I click on me. When I click on me, you're going to see all of these coins here. You see these coins that are here. You see 1, 2. If you look at this coins here, that means there are other coins. I'm clicking on it to have all my coins. Now let me show you something and why you must take this serious. I had some BTC Satoshi here. Now look at this core 1. How many of you remember when this Satoshi app started? We were mining core 1. If you go to the whatever now coin markets, core 1 should be above $2 right now. Yes, the recent dip affected it. Was somehow $3 few weeks ago. Do you know this core 1? Many of us gathered. I gathered them, but we never took it serious. That was the first coin released by Satoshi app. I mined so much. But when it was time for distribution and the system requires that we're going to map our account, I never did it because I never took it serious. And that was how I lost the entire coin. What you see me about to do, and if I don't do it, I'm still going to lose the ones I've got. And that is this coin. This is the coin we're talking about. Look at it. This is the EOX. What I was able to mine was 8.5 of it. So I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, look at withdrawal session. It says link withdrawal address. So the system says withdrawal address. That I will now go to that EOX app and copy that EOX withdrawal address. If you don't do it, you won't have any withdrawal address to do. So I'm going to also do now, I put asset password. Asset password is different from login password. You have to know all of this. So let me copy this address. So I click on EOX. I click on receive. You know normally how I would do it. I click on receive. Be aware of the following when using your blockchain wallet that will never publicize your full address online as well as transaction info is open, whatever. It's okay. I want to copy this right now. So I click here. It's copied. So I go back to this place and I paste that address. I'm going to now put my asset password. Now immediately I put my password, the system sent me email verification code to my email, which I've copied now. I paste here. Okay, it has expired, so I'm going to resend it. Once it's sent to you, please quickly get it before it gets expired, so that you don't need to be wasting time. So I'm going to resend it and copy it again. Please just watch. It has started. They have been resent. Please let me quickly get the one. It's okay. It have been sent for the second time. Okay, this is the one. I copy it and I paste here. Okay, I click on confirm. Are you seeing it? So at this point, the next thing is to start verification. You know what they want to do here? Part of what they want to do here now is your facial recognition and all that. So you are now fully on the process. So we're going to do that. I'm going to click on that and do that right away. So once you are done, you must do this before 27th of this month. And once you are done, you are set. Your whatever the coins you have made will now leave the main area and be on the withdrawal section, waiting for distribution, because you've done the part you ought to do. That's how it works. Okay, once you are done verifying, that's the work you can do for now. So allow the deadline to end on the 7th, and then the system will not distribute. Remember, the coin will be sent to your EOX app, and that's where you copy your linked address. It's very important. So that one you can download it from Play Store. Also very simple. And I want to use this before I round up on this video. If you are not yet using Satoshi app to mine, please, you are not really helping yourself. I'm going to drop the link. That link is for you to install Satoshi app, because currently there's still a coin. If you look at this coin now, it's still mining. That is this OG coin is the one currently mining. Once it ends, you see sometimes you can see 3 coins mining at the same time, airdropping at the same time. So every one of them is going to make sense, and that's what Satoshi app is all about. It's the best and the biggest of airdropping platform globally, as long as the blockchain projects and crypto world is concerned. So you need to have it, and anytime you see a project there, please don't joke with it. Take it very serious, and seriously, it will work for you. So I'm going to stop at this point. If you have any question, answer whatever I've said in this video, use the comment box. I'll be very much free to give you answer to your questions. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and this video makes sense, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.